The journey of a giant steel wire rope begins in a state-of-the-art heavy-duty steel factory. Molten steel is cast into billets, the first step toward making ultra-strong wire.
These billets are carefully transported to rolling lines for shaping. High-pressure rollers begin the transformation from solid steel into workable rods. The steel's strength is enhanced through controlled rolling and heat treatment.
Skilled operators monitor every step to ensure consistent quality and safety.
Continuous casting shapes the steel into long strands ready for drawing. Advanced monitoring ensures the steel meets exact specifications. Careful cooling prevents internal stress and cracks. After cooling, the steel rods are ready for the first stage of wire drawing.
Wire drawing reduces the rod to a thinner, more flexible wire suitable for ropes.
Each pass through precision dies gradually refines the diameter.
Lubricants reduce friction, ensuring a flawless surface finish.
Each strand is carefully coiled, ready for final rope assembly. Tension and alignment are crucial to prevent weak points in the final rope. Precision measurement ensures each wire meets strict engineering standards. Next, individual wires are twisted together to form a strand.
The twisting process combines strength and flexibility in each strand.
Gears and precision machinery control the exact pitch and tension. Drawn wires are neatly wound onto spools, ready for stranding. Operators monitor the precise alignment of strands as they form a rope. Strands are transported to the cabling area for assembly into giant ropes. Multiple strands are twisted into a single rope, combining tensile strength and durability. Giant ropes are coiled onto reels for storage and quality checks. Before shipment, every rope undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it can handle heavy-duty loads. Each rope is rigorously tested to withstand extreme tension and heavy loads. Digital sensors monitor every twist and stretch for precise quality control.
Technicians ensure ropes meet the highest safety and performance standards.
A protective coating is applied to prevent rust and extend rope life. The lubrication also reduces friction during heavy-duty use. Even distribution ensures long-term durability under extreme conditions.
After coating, ropes are prepared for final assembly and inspection.
Experienced eyes detect imperfections that machines might miss. Specialized fittings are attached to rope ends for secure handling and attachment. Giant spools are carefully wound to prevent kinks and tangles. Organized storage ensures easy retrieval for industrial deployment. Each rope carries a tag detailing load capacity, length, and certification. Specialized equipment handles these massive, heavy-duty ropes safely. Precise alignment guarantees the rope performs as expected under load. Ropes are staged for delivery to construction sites, shipping yards, and industrial projects. Heavy-duty cranes handle these massive reels safely and efficiently. Secure fastening ensures the rope arrives intact, ready for use.
Modern factories combine automation and skilled human oversight for efficiency.
Every shipment is tracked from factory to site to guarantee quality delivery. The intertwined steel wires create remarkable strength and flexibility.
Even small samples undergo stress tests before shipment.
Warehouses manage storage efficiently, even for the heaviest industrial ropes.
Every reel is logged for tracking, ensuring traceability and safety compliance.
From factory to construction sites worldwide, the rope is ready for heavy-duty work. Inside a modern steel rope factory, raw steel is transformed into industrial-strength solutions for the world. For ultra-heavy applications, multiple strands are combined into even larger composite ropes. Precise rotation angles ensure balanced load distribution. Computer-controlled machinery maintains perfect tension across every strand. The result is a rope capable of supporting hundreds of tons.
Dimensional accuracy is critical for compatibility with heavy equipment.
Additional coatings improve corrosion resistance and flexibility. This treatment protects internal wires from moisture and wear. Controlled heat ensures long-lasting adhesion of protective layers.
Gradual cooling prevents internal stress.
Color coding helps identify rope type and load class instantly. Before approval, ropes undergo extreme stress testing. These tests simulate real-world lifting and pulling conditions.
Engineers monitor load limits with pinpoint accuracy.
This reveals how the rope behaves at maximum capacity. After testing, approved ropes return to the finishing line.
Only ropes that exceed safety margins are approved.
Certified ropes are stamped and documented. Surface integrity is checked one final time. Proper winding prevents damage during transport. Protective packaging shields the rope from weather and impact. These ropes play a critical role in modern construction.
Ports rely on steel wire ropes to move global trade.
In mining, failure is not an option. Harsh environments demand extreme durability. From renewable energy to heavy industry,
These ropes hold the world together.
Once approved, giant steel wire ropes are prepared for global delivery. Secure fastening is critical when transporting multi-ton equipment. These ropes are shipped to construction sites, ports, mines, and offshore platforms.
Special permits and routes are required for oversized industrial cargo.
International shipping expands the reach of heavy-duty manufacturing. Even unloading requires precision and strength.
Final inspections ensure ropes remain flawless after transport. Steel wire ropes are engineered in many variations for specific tasks. Each design balances strength, flexibility, and wear resistance.
Engineers select rope types based on load, environment, and lifespan.
Proper installation is just as important as manufacturing. Correct spooling prevents internal damage.
Regular lubrication extends service life.
Routine inspections prevent catastrophic failures.
Timely replacement is essential for safety.
Strict protocols govern rope use worldwide.
When maintained properly, steel wire ropes perform flawlessly.
Strict protocols govern rope use worldwide. Thousands of steel wires work together as one. Strength lies in precision and design.
These ropes quietly support modern civilization.
Technology, experience, and steel come together here. Behind every rope is skilled craftsmanship. Built to lift, pull, and endure the world's toughest jobs. This is how giant steel wire ropes are made.